We're talking about business sales today. If you've got a business sales team, this is for you. Now let's get straight into this. It's CRM I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So over at CRM this is what I'm giving you a big insight to today, okay? The website's clean. It's got home layouts, features, pricing, FAQ, contact us, and obviously I'm going to show you actually as I'm registered to this today. But a quick overview. So SalesPro, okay, it's business sales CRM, empowering your sales team with SalesPro, the ultimate business sales CRM. Now again, you click sign up and log in. We're going to do that, but I just want to take you through a bit of the dashboard. So this is a happy clients use dashboard here, which you will see when I go inside of it. Super easy, so I'm not going to go in detail while we're on here, but you can see the simplistic and user-friendly use that CRM has given us. Now you can use this for many different things, okay? Increasing productivity and efficiency is the key. Elevating your business performance with SalesPro CRM, where productivity and efficiency actually meets valuable insights. Now what features does it have? To maximize your business potential, you've got the contact center. That's a SalesPro contact center, is a centralized system that enables businesses to effectively manage customer interactions through various channels. Now with real-time analytics, it helps to automate customer service tasks and improve customer satisfaction. It's a powerful feature that streamlines the customer service process and ultimately increases sales. It also has the invoicing side. The SalesPro invoicing feature allows business to easily create and send invoices to clients. It streamlines the invoicing process and provides real-time tracking of payments and overdue invoices. Now with SalesPro, business can easily manage their financial and improve cash flow. The meeting side, SalesPro meeting management feature allows business to schedule and organize meetings with ease. It offers a centralized system to create and manage meeting agendas, invite participants, and track attendance with SalesPro. So the business can improve the coordination and communication for meeting and make sure they run efficiently. Along with projecting work tracking, SalesPro Project Work Tracking feature allows business to manage their projects and tasks efficiently. It offers a centralized system to assign tasks, track progress and deadlines, and collaborate with team members with SalesPro. Business can actually improve coordination and communication for projects, make sure they are completed on time and within the budget. So with all the features, guys, you know how powerful this can be, okay? It's got valuable insights inside that you can see here, talking about your to-do list, your weather, anything you're listening to, things like that. Manage meetings, team coordination, so effectively managing meetings and improving team coordination with SalesPro advanced meeting management features, okay? So you got the Slack bot referral side and obviously your call list as well. So let's get on, log in, and show you the dashboard. So guys, I'm logged in and you can see it truly living here. Here is my dashboard. Okay, so I've got my dashboard, my total user, total account, total contact, total lead. Obviously, I've not actually started using this yet. I'm just as new to this as you are, but let's do it together. Okay, so this is your dashboard where you've got all of your insights. Now let's go on role. First section you get is role. You can simply add a role up here because I've played with this before. If you want to add, say, for a user role, which you can create, edit, delete, manage, and show. If you want to go all the way down, make it a document role, anything like that. Okay, so you can add these simply by putting studio, for example. So these are the studio roles that you can roll with now. Okay, if you want to go to the next stage, it's user, so you can actually add a user as well. Okay, again, you put all these things in. So if I put manager, phone, okay, and then email, same you do again. Their role is studio. They're not active right now, and you can choose a file and save that, okay? That will go in. You need a valid email, but you'll see that will go in. You can actually change it to grid view as well, so you can just have them like this if it's easier for you. Then we have our messenger side. Okay, so on the messenger side, this is where we can talk to people, whether it's from different roles, whether it's from different places and the different cache. You can go on here, have a look at your member list, and just start chatting on here. You don't need to go on WhatsApp, you don't need to go on Messenger. Then you've got your form builder. So let's try the form builder now. So creating this, let's go studio application, okay? So this is the form, this is a studio application. Now, you can copy this, you can form a field, you can view responses, everyone can edit this, everyone can get involved in this form. Super easy with that, all right? Now, accounts, you can add the accounts as well. So put in the name, your email, phone, website, shipping address, all the details. I'm not gonna do that right now for you, but then you go for your details, okay? And the industry you're in, the document, assigning the user and the description, you save that in there, okay? And that will add up in your accounts. You see how easy this is? This is just literally one click and it's done. You don't need to worry about coding or anything like that. It's just simple input. You got your contacts, so load your contact list on here. All right, super easy. Yes, you go through them, add your contacts, add your contacts. If you've got an assistant, maybe they can do it for you, okay? And fill in your contacts on there. Then you got your leads. So if you have generated leads, please add them into here. So we've got them all in one list, and you can set roles for people that can come on and actually see these. You got your opportunities as well, okay? So add your opportunities in there, whatever it is you're trying to promote, whatever it is you're doing, okay? What campaign it's part of, and the amount and when it starts and finishes. Then you've got your products. Super easy. You see, guys, every single section is pretty much come over here and hit the plus, okay? If you want to add a quote to there, you can add a quote, simple as that. You got your sales orders. I'm not going to keep clicking that across with you, but it's super easy. You got the invoices, you've got cases, okay? Simple again, add in the case, just like that, enter the name, all the cases. And then you got your calendar. So here's really a cool part, right? You can add a call to the calendar just by putting it in there. You can add a meeting, which will change the color, and you can add a task, all right? You can also filter it down here, so you can just show the calls of this, the week, the day, the month, okay? And scroll through like that. Super easy, guys. All you got to do is add them in there. Carrying on down, guys, past the calendar, we got the tasks. Same again, just add the task with the plus at the top. Same with the meetings. You got calls, contracts. Contracts is a little bit different. It actually gives you insights of exactly how much you're making through the contracts, okay? So once you've added them, make sure you correct the right details, and it'll start giving you the insights for that. You got the document as well. Same thing. You've got your campaigns, which you can start a campaign. Everyone should be getting their campaigns running, okay? You can put your budget in there, the status of it, if it's planning, if it's complete, if not. Then you got your stream, okay? If you're live streaming and things like that, you can put that on. You've got the plan of what you're chosen to pay, okay? If you want to upgrade at any time, please upgrade your plan. We're going to talk about the pricing very soon. You've got the order, all right? So put your orders in there, and then you've got your insight reports. You've got custom report, lead analysis, invoice analysis as well, okay, guys? Quote analysis. You've got all the different analysis. Now, the constant, you got your account, document, campaign, and much more in there, okay? And then you got your settings, guys. You see, I did run through this, all right? And you can choose the logos you want, stuff like that, the company settings. But guys, I need you to know that I only went through this really quick because it's so simplistic. It's so user-friendly. So now what you're thinking, you saw a little bit about the price, but exactly how much does it cost to get what? Let me show you that right now. So guys, here's the price. It's incredible, guys, okay? $0 for a lifetime access, all right? Now, you can actually start with this free plan, and you can see here you're getting $0 for it, but you get access to it. Now, if you want to get involved, $59 right now, lifetime price. You get 5 users, you get 5 accounts, okay? You get 5 contacts, 3 GB cloud storage, but the one I would go for, guys, trust me when I say you need to get Lifetime Pro. Over 999 users, 999 accounts, 999 contacts, 10 GB cloud storage for all of the lifetime purchase of $99. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. And I'm going to see you on the very next video.